you've been here before, we thank you for coming back. Here we like to say, if it's cooking that you're thinking of, stay tuned in with Vdub, and that's me. So today we're gonna do some ribs. We got a couple packs of ribs here. We got the Smithfield brand, which is pretty popular. So today we're gonna show you the difference between a St. Louis style versus a regular spare rib style, okay? And there's some pros and cons to that, but one of the things I like to show is how we trim it up to make it a St. Louis style, but still be able to cook that piece that we cut off. And basically in the South is known as a rib tip, okay? Taking them out of the package here, I'm gonna show you how we pat them dry here, take the blood off of them. Okay, so here we go with this one. Now, we're gonna make this one a St. Louis style, okay? Now, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna cut along the top here. Cut this bone out, okay? Go all the way out. Okay? All the way out. Now, what's good about this is we're gonna cut it right about here, okay? It's got a little bit of gristle in it, but this is gonna be snack meat, okay? But this is called a tip, okay? It's got a bone, and the technical name is called brisket bone. So if you go to a grocery store anywhere asking for it, some people may know it as a rib tip, but they all know from a brisket bone, okay? But this is where all the flavor lies, okay? When you're cooking this thing, man, you're talking about that gristle, with all that little gristle and goodness piled up in there, in the top part of it. Man, I can remember my grandparents and my grandmother eating that a lot on the 4th of July. Incidentally, we've got Labor Day coming up, and happens to be my birthday. Yeah, so here we go. We got them all seasoned and ready to go. We got them up to room temp. So now the next step is to take them out on the grill and smoke them. Okay guys, so we are out here at the grill. We're gonna throw our ribs on right quick. And we're going to do long side up first. All right. Space them out here a little bit. So remember those tips? Stick them right there. Watch them cook. Oops. Ooh, that was close. Mind you, these are going to cook real quick because they're close to the heat. And that's what we want with the rib tips, because we want those to break through that bone. If that bone pops open, there's nothing but flavor left in there. Flavor and goodness, as they say. Yeah, I know all about that pork meat. Well time. Okay guys, so we're back. So what we're doing now at this point is we're gonna wrap these ribs and put them back on, and this is gonna act as a tenderizing method to make these really, really tender. Now, as you can see, we got some butter and we have some brown sugar. Now, we're gonna put it both on each side of it. Now, we're gonna take this one, we're gonna put it on the top part of it. Now, we've got a lot at the bottom, so we should be okay with this one. So we're gonna sprinkle some more brown sugar all over here. And after this method is done, you really don't even need to put any sauce on. And if we have some super heavy duty foil, which works perfect for this, I'm gonna set that one over here. I'm gonna repeat that step again and put another one on. Okay? You can put as much brown sugar and butter as you want, but I just use a generous amount. I don't want them too super sweet, but it's okay if it gets sweet. And some people like that. Number 2 slab with the St. Louis style ribs. All right, a little bit on the table there. We won't let none of that goodness get away from us. Okay, guys, we're gonna get these back on, let them tenderize for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then I can smell them, and I know they can smell good. Means they're gonna taste good too. Let's see here. Try not to rip it. So here we go, guys. Here we go. So again, if you look at it, you can see where the bone is at, right here. Then on each side of it, you got a big chunk of meat. They call it a Hollywood cut. I think I like this one. It's kind of hot, so pick it up with a napkin. This end up. Man. Let me taste that brown sugar too. Wow. That's a rib. See here? That is a rib. That's what it's supposed to taste like all the time. It's hot, but it's good. So guys, the cook took a little bit longer than what we wanted today. Had trouble keeping the temp on the grill. I think we rectified that. And we're looking going forward. So again, thanks for tuning into our channel. If you like the video, please hit a like, hit that like button. And again, please like and subscribe and share, okay? And again, we try to keep these recipes as simple as possible. And again, if it's cooking you're thinking of, stay tuned in with Vdub, and that's me, and we out.